भूकम्प आ रहा है।
Enter in a tragic event that occurred on Friday evening, November 3, 2023. Nepal was rocked by a powerful earthquake with a magnitude of 6.4, which caused loss of life that felt deep sorrow. According to reports we received from local authorities, around 128 people have lost their lives in this natural disaster, but it is estimated that this number will continue to increase as time goes by. The earthquake significantly affected remote areas of Nepal and caused severe damage to buildings and infrastructure. Local residents, even in the dark of night, struggled to dig through the rubble of collapsed buildings, hoping to find survivors amidst the rubble. Several houses were destroyed, while the survivors lived in extreme fear, surrounded by the haunting sound of emergency sirens. The effects of this earthquake were even felt in New Delhi, which was more than 500 kilometers from the epicenter. The worst affected areas include West Rukam, where at least 36 people have been confirmed dead, and Jajarkot with 34 fatalities. West Rukam District Chief Officer Hari Prasad Pant said, and quote, "At least 36 people are confirmed dead in West Rukam, and the number of victims is expected to increase. This is the latest information we can obtain as of 5 a.m. local time." End quote. Nepal's Prime Minister, Pushpa Kamal Dahal, also expressed his condolences over this tragedy. He is very concerned about the loss of human life and serious damage to infrastructure as a result of this earthquake. Through an official statement, Prime Minister Dahal said, and quote, "Honorable Prime Minister Pushpa Kamal Dahal Prachanda has expressed his deep sorrow over the loss of human life and material caused by the earthquake at Ramadanda in Jajarkot at 11:47 Friday evening, and has mobilized the 3 security agencies to immediately carry out rescue and assistance to the injured victims." End quote. "We will continue to monitor developments in this situation and provide updated information as time goes by. We hope that the families of the victims and the entire people of Nepal can find strength in facing this crisis, and that international aid and support will arrive soon to help the affected areas recover."